The stock mirror lights on the Land Cruiser are pretty boring. So in this video, we're going to be showing you how to install the brand new sequential mirror turn signals from Yota Xpedition. Let's get into it. So we're over here at the driver's side mirror of our Land Cruiser. We have our brand new turn signal that we're gonna get installed, and then we have the tools we're gonna be using, which is a Phillips head screwdriver. We have the trim prying tool that is included, and we also have an extra one that just might come in handy. So we're gonna go and start with getting the cap off the mirror. So we're gonna be using the pry tool to do that. So let's go ahead and get that off. So we're gonna be starting right on this area here. Shove it in there. Now, if you have the extra one, this is where that could come in handy. All right, so we have that first piece removed. Now we're gonna run up the side here. Pop some of that out. All right, so we got most of it popped free. We just have this back section here that's still connected. So we're just gonna come over here with our fingers, pop it off, down bottom here yet. There we go. When you're trying to get this cap off of your mirror, just make sure to take your time because you can easily break some of these clips. So don't force anything, make sure everything comes off evenly. If you only have just this front side and the back is still connected, don't take the thing and start pulling it like this because you'll probably end up breaking the clips on the back side. Try to make sure it comes off completely straight. But now that we have this off, we have some screws that we're gonna remove. So it looks like we have a total of 5 screws that we need to remove. So let's go ahead and remove those. This one here, we do not need to remove. All right, so we have those 5 screws removed. Now we need to pop off this whole plastic housing piece. So there is a couple of clips holding this in. Some of them you can see, some of them you can't. So right here we have one. Just pull that up a little bit and get that free. There's also one right here that you can see. And then there is also another one down here on the side that you can see. There's a few that you can't, but we're just gonna go ahead and pry this off the back of the mirror. Let's give that a little pull. Now we have all of that free from the mirror, so we're gonna take it and turn it around so that we can get access to the mirror light. All right, so we have our mirror turn signal here. There is 2 clips that is holding it in place, and we have the plug. So all you need to do is just bend that back, and it comes out pretty easy. You have 2 other things in here just holding it in place. You just pull that out and push the plug in and pull that off. So we have our new light here. We're gonna go ahead and plug it in. Before we put everything back together, we're gonna test it because this will plug in either way. So if this doesn't work, we'll just flip the plug 180 degrees. So I have the 4 ways on, and as you can see, it's not working. So let's go ahead and flip the plug around, and there we go. So with our light working, we're gonna take these 2 tabs here, and we're gonna tuck those in on the housing. And then we're going to pop these 2 clips in here, just like that. Now we can take our housing, we'll flip this back around. Make sure that your wires are going into that U channel there. We'll get this line back up and snapped in place. Let's make sure the light is tucked in there. Snap that in. So with this back in place, we'll go ahead and reinstall our 5 screws. All right, so we have all of our screws back in. Last step is just to put the mirror cap back on. So we'll just line that up straight, push it in, make sure all the corners are snapped in place, and we're finished. All right guys, that's a wrap for this install. If you have any questions on how to get this done on your Land Cruiser, make sure to drop a comment down below. If you want to pick up these sequential mirror turn signals for your Land Cruiser, make sure to head over to yotaxpedition.com. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one.